There's a lot happening in the garden at the moment. Here are some tips for success. Moth orchids are beautiful and they can flower for months. Once your moth orchid has finished flowering, it's time to give it a refresh by repotting it with a specially designed free-draining orchid mix. If you've got a compact lawn or a small patch of lawn weeds, a ready-to-use spray is an easy way to get broadleaf weeds like bindii and clover under control. There's no mixing or measuring, just spray the weed foliage until it's just wet. It's time to look after your veggie patch. Keep your cool season veggies like cabbages, broccoli, cauliflower and snow peas healthy and productive by feeding them regularly with Yates Dynamic Lifter for tomatoes, veggies and herbs. For more advice, chat to our experts. Happy gardening!